Dude, now I'm going to tell what are negative power exponents. You're going to know that a positive power, any exponent means number grows extremely big. Like this, when humans started counting, they start to count like this. Started to counting, there are 5 trees, 7 of the apples, and he going to count it out. There are 15 of bananas, like this, different things. When you need to count and add them all out, repeated amount of counting, he going to count in 5 streets. You're going to count different number of trees. One more has 5 trees, 7 trees, 9 trees, 2 trees, and only 1 trees. Instead of repeatedly counting from 5 to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and again counting, started to inventing adding. This repeated counting going to become nothing but adding, and those adding is like 5 plus 7 is 12, and 12 plus 2 it going to become equal to 14, and 14 plus 9 it's nothing but 23. 23 plus 1 is 24. This is nothing but repeated counting. You counted each of those trees, that is 5 trees in one second street, third street, fourth street, and 5 streets. You going to count different number of trees, and you totally added them out, because adding is repeated counting and multiplying is repeated adding. And this tree, this one in this town, in this area, it going to have 25 trees, and in each of those areas they're going to be 25 trees. Instead of adding everything at once, because everything has 25 trees in 5 cities, it started to take multiplying is nothing but repeated adding. Means 5 times of 5 means you are adding 5 into 5 times, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That going to become repeated adding. And again you can take like this, that is 7 times of 2 means 7 you are adding 2 times. This like adding, repeated adding is known as multiplying. And now this repeated multiplying is known as exponents. That means 2 power of 5 means you are multiplying 5 times, 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. And here if you take 7 cube means you are multiplying 7 3 times, 7 times of 7 times of 7. In this multiplying you are doing repeated adding. 7 times of 7 means you are adding 7 into 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And after you get into 49, this 49 you are again multiplying with 7 means 49 plus 49 plus 49, you are again repeatedly adding it. My exponent is nothing but repeated multiplying is repeated adding, and repeated adding is repeated counting. So exponent get extremely big, very big number. In counting there is no negative. Then in adding, the negative part is subtracting. Take out smallly, it going to remove how adding adds smallly, subtracting take out small way. And multiplying take out big way, but dividing also take out big way. In as much as multiplying 100 by 5 means you going to get it as 20. But the negative part of exponents is nothing but the negative power exponents. 2 power of 5 means 32. If you take apples, there are 32 apples. There are huge number of apples here in 2 power of 5. In 2 power of minus 5 means very small. You take one apple, you're going to divide it into so many pieces, 32 pieces. You just take a small piece. One of 32 pieces, it's going to known as 1 by 32. That is 2 power of minus 5. 2 power of 5 means very big number. Like this you can take it out even in different things, like here one in bananas. If you take it out here if you take 2 cube means 2 times of 2 times of 2, it going to become 2 times of 2 4 times of 2 8 bananas. That is you will whole lot of bananas to eat all day. That means it is a huge number, that is 2 cube. And if you take the same way, if you take 2 power of minus 3 means 2 power of minus 3 means it's going to become positive. 1 by 2 power of 3, 1 by 2 cube, or 1 by 8. You take a single banana, you break it into 8 pieces. In that 8 pieces just take one piece, that going to become among 8 pieces 1 piece. A small piece of a single banana is 1 by 8 banana, or it is known as 2 power of minus 3, or the bigger one is 2 cube. If you can take it in the way of sheeps, in way of if you take out as sheep 1, you can take there are 2 power of 2 square. If you take it as 2 square, you get it like this, 2 square, not 2 square, 10 square. If you take 10 square, 10 times of 10 means 100 sheeps. you're going to get a lot of ships, hundreds of so many ships. And if we're going to take it as 2 power of minus 2, it's going to become 1 by 10 square. 1 by 10 square means 1 by 100. 1 by 100th of a sheep means if a sheep is 20 kilogram, it is just 200 grams of meat. You can get it like this. 10 square means 10 square means it is hundreds of sheep, a huge number of sheep in an acre of land. And means 10 power of minus 2 sheep means 1 by 100th of sheep, which is just nothing but a meat piece of 200 grams small meat piece. Like this, negative exponent going to make a number extremely small, how the positive exponent going to make extremely big one. Bye.